In this video, we are going to disassemble the Traxxas TQi top qualifier to accomplish two tasks. Task number 1 will be to lubricate the trigger for a perfect buttery trigger pull. Task 2 will be installing a ram mount ball for mounting a camera. Start by removing all the screws holding the two halves together. Once inside, you'll see a PC board held together by 3 screws. Remove the 3 screws and move the PC board aside. Remove the spring that holds the arm down and lubricate the contact points. I'm using a white lithium grease, but you can use whatever you are comfortable with. Reassembly is the opposite of disassembly. My son asked me what it was like to be married, so I told him to leave me alone. And when he did, I said, "Why are you ignoring me?" A fish swam into a wall and said, "Damn." My dad worked with a guy whose nickname was Jockstrap because his name was Richard Carrier. On to mounting the ram ball. I found that this ram ball has screw holes that are perfectly spaced to fit 2 existing screw holes. I used 3 by 25mm machine screws to fix the mount to the controller. My screws are a bit long, so I'm using shock pivot balls to buffer the space. Everything worked great. Pros would be that the mount is extremely versatile. I can adjust it to record video from a phone or GoPro. I can also use the mount to view the Traxxas app. The biggest con is definitely the weight. Consider subscribing and/or leaving a comment. It doesn't cost you anything and helps me stay motivated. My goal is to create the best, quick, to-the-point RC repair and upgrade tutorial videos. If you see an area I can improve on, please let me know in the comments section.